Guys, we're going to talk today about how to remove noise from your photo. So before we get started, just click the subscribe button. That will keep you updated with all the tutorials that we add. So in Lightroom, you're going to come over to your Develop module and you're going to look for the tab that says Detail. So under Detail, you have sharpening and you have noise reduction. We'll do sharpening in another tutorial, but we're going to talk about noise reduction right now. So most of you know when you shoot in low light, you tend to get a little bit of grain in your photo, and if that's not the effect you're wanting to do, we can take that grain out of the picture. So just be careful how high you do the noise reduction. You don't want to start to get a plastic look, so just kind of be mindful of that whenever you're working with your noise reduction. Every camera is a little bit different, so just kind of play with it until you see what you're happy with. But to remove the noise from a picture, you're just going to come to the noise reduction tab. Typically what I do, I know with my camera I can go a little over halfway without a plasticky look. So I'm just going to take everything to right about halfway and kind of see if I'm happy with it. See if maybe I can push it a little bit more. So I'm just going to take the detail up a little bit more. The detail is what I like to really use. As I can see, I can go up a little bit more without getting that plastically look I'm talking about. Even my luminance I can bring up a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and do the contrast too. There we go. Alright guys, so that's just a quick way on how to use the noise reduction panel in Lightroom.